Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. We will call at St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. Welcome on board this Stepford.
Next service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central. Your attention please. The 1819 Stepford Connect service to Leighton
Welcome
City
on board
has
this
been cancelled. Metro service to Barton. Calling at Coxley Newtown and Barton. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
This is a Metro service to
Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This train is for Stepford Airport Central. The next station is Coxley. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service.
This station is Four Ways. This train
Platform
is
for the
Stepford UFC.
28
The next
Metro
station
service
will be
to
Stepford
Stepford
East.
Victoria. Calling at Stepford Central, City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
This station is Fourways. This train is for Stepford Victoria. The next station will be Stepford Central.
Airport Central and Airport Terminal 1. Calling at Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1 and Airport Terminal 2. Due to a short platform, passengers for Airport Terminal 1.
Welcome on board this airlink service to Airport Terminal.
Calling at Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1 and Airport Terminal 2. Due to a short platform, passengers for Airport Terminal 1 should travel in the front 7 coaches.
Morganstown.
This train is formed, terminates here. This train is the service from Stepford Central. The train now approaching platform 6 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Welcome on board this airlink service to Airport Terminal 2.
All change, please.
The next station.
Thank you for travelling
The
with us
train
today.
now approaching, calling at Berrily, Ellesmere Junction, St Helens Bridge, Stepford coaches. The train now approaching platform 3 does not stop here.
Welcome on board.
Please stand back from the platform edge.